Protection of Children from Sexual Offences. Amendment ACT, 2019. No. 25 of 2019. The 5th of August 2019. An act further to amend the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, 2012. Be it enacted by Parliament in the 70th year of the Republic of India as follows. 1. This Act may be called the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Amendment Act, 2019. 2. It shall come into force on such date as the central government may, by notification in the Official Gazette, appoint. 2. In the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, 2012 hereinafter referred to as the Principal Act in Section 2, A. In subsection 1, after Clause D, the following clause shall be inserted, namely, child pornography means any visual depiction of sexually explicit conduct involving a child which include photograph, video, digital or computer-generated image indistinguishable from an actual child, and image created, adapted, or modified, but appear to depict a child. Amendment of Section 2. Short title and commencement. 32 of 2012. Ministry of Law and Justice Legislative Department. New Delhi, Dio 60th August, 2019 Shravana 15, 1941 Sacker. The following Act of Parliament received the assent of the President on the 5th of August 2019, and is hereby published for general information. Jafter Landman, Yum UO4 at 0007 at 2003, 19. VLK K Extraordinary HKKX2K. M1 Part 2, Section 1 IZKFKDKJLSZDKFK published by Authority. LAN 44 UBZFNYYH Axiok VXLR 6 2019 at JACO. K15 1941 and a quarter, KD 1/2 No. 44 New Delhi, Tuesday August 6, 2019 Shravana 15, 1941 Sacker. BLHKKXSRFHKUUI backquote, Beeler. KNHTKRHGSFTLLSFD. GVYX LAGUDS, ISO JKKTKLDS. A separate paging is given to this part in order that it may be filed as a separate compilation. Registered No. DLN040007 2003 192, The Gazette of India Extraordinary Part 2. B. In subsection 2, for the words, brackets and figures, the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act, 2000, the words, brackets and figures, the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act, 2015, shall be substituted. 3. In the Principal Act, Section 4 shall be renumbered as Section 4, 1 thereof. A. In subsection 1, as so renumbered, for the words, 7 years, the words, 10 years, shall be substituted. B. After subsection 1, the following subsections shall be inserted, namely, 2. Whoever commits penetrative sexual assault on a child below 16 years of age shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 20 years, but which may extend to imprisonment for life, which shall mean imprisonment for the remainder of natural life of that person, and shall also be liable to fine. 3. The fine imposed under subsection 1 shall be just and reasonable and paid to the victim to meet the medical expenses and rehabilitation of such victim. 4. In Section 5 of the Principal Act, I. In Clause J. A. In Subclause I. The word, or, occurring at the end shall be omitted. B. In Subclause E. The word, or, occurring at the end shall be omitted. C. After Subclause E. The following subclause shall be inserted, namely, IV causes death of the child. Or 2. In Clause S. For the words, communal or sectarian violence, the words communal or sectarian violence or during any natural calamity or in similar situations, shall be substituted. 5. For Section 6 of the Principal Act, the following section shall be substituted, namely, 6. 1. Whoever commits aggravated penetrative sexual assault shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 20 years, but which may extend to imprisonment for life, which shall mean imprisonment for the remainder of natural life of that person, and shall also be liable to fine, or with death. 2. The fine imposed under subsection 1 shall be just and reasonable and paid to the victim to meet the medical expenses and rehabilitation of such victim. 6. In Section 9 of the Principal Act, I. In Clause S. For the words, communal or sectarian violence, the words communal or sectarian violence or during any natural calamity or in any similar situations, shall be substituted. E. After clause U, the following clause shall be inserted, namely, V. Whoever persuades, induces, entices or coerces a child to get administered or administers or direct anyone to administer, helping getting administered any drug or hormone or any chemical substance, to a child with the intent that such child attains early sexual maturity. Punishment for aggravated penetrative sexual assault. Amendment of Section 456 of 2002 of 2016. Amendment of Section 5. Substitution of new section for Section 6. Amendment of Section 9. SEC. 1. The Gazette of India Extraordinary 3. 7. For Section 14 of the Principal Act, the following section shall be substituted, namely 14. 1. Whoever uses a child or children for pornographic purposes shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 5 years and shall also be liable to fine, and in the event of second or subsequent conviction with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 7 years and also be liable to fine. 2. Whoever using a child or children for pornographic purposes under subsection 1 commits an offense referred to in Section 3 or Section 5 or Section 7 or Section 9 by directly participating in such pornographic acts, shall be punished for the said offences also under Section 4, Section 6, Section 8 and Section 10, respectively, in addition to the punishment provided in subsection 1. 8. For Section 15 of the Principal Act, the following section shall be substituted, namely 15. 1. Any person, who stores or possesses pornographic material in any form involving a child, but fails to delete or destroy or report the same to the designated authority, as may be prescribed, with an intention to share or transmit child pornography, shall be liable to fine not less than 5,000 rupees, and in the event of second or subsequent offence, with fine which shall not be less than 10,000 rupees. 2. Any person, who stores or possesses pornographic material in any form involving a child for transmitting or propagating or displaying or distributing in any manner at any time except for the purpose of reporting, as may be prescribed, or for use as evidence in court, shall be punished with imprisonment of either description which may extend to 3 years, or with fine, or with both. 3. Any person, who stores or possesses pornographic material in any form involving a child for commercial purpose shall be punished on the first conviction with imprisonment of either description which shall not be less than 3 years which may extend to 5 years, or with fine, or with both, and in the event of second or subsequent conviction, with imprisonment of either description which shall not be less than 5 years which may extend to 7 years and shall also be liable to fine. 9. In Section 34 of the Principal Act, for the words, brackets and figures, the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act, 2000, the words, brackets and figures, the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act, 2015, shall be substituted. 10. In Section 42 of the Principal Act, for the figures, letter and words, 376E or Section 509 of the Indian Penal Code, the figures, letters and words, 376E, Section 509 of the Indian Penal Code or Section 67B of the Information Technology Act, 2000, shall be substituted. 11. In Section 45 of the Principal Act, in subsection 2 Clause A, shall be relettered as Clause AB thereof and before Clause AB as so relettered, the following clauses shall be inserted, namely, A. The manner of deleting or destroying or reporting about pornographic material in any form involving a child to the designated authority under subsection 1 of Section 15. Punishment for storage of pornographic material involving child. Substitution of new section for Section 15. Amendment of Section 34. Amendment of Section 42. Amendment of Section 45. 45 of 1860. 21 of 2000. 56 of 2000. 2 of 2016. Punishment for using child for pornographic purposes. Substitution of new section for Section 14. The manner of reporting about pornographic material in any form involving a child under subsection 2 of Section 15. Dr. G. Narayana Raju, Secretary to the Govt. of India. MGIPMRND 2466 GIS 3, the 6th of August 2019. Uploaded by the Manager, Government of India Press, Minto Road, New Delhi 11002 and published by the Controller of Publications, Delhi 110,054. 4. The Gazette of India Extraordinary Part 2, Sec. 1.